All right, days have clearly passed, and we are back home in the homestead of the parentals. But we got some very big things we're about to be doing, but first, we have to say goodbye. I can't lie, it's weird to see this apartment so empty, so echoey. And I feel like just a year ago I was wearing this same hat, moving all of my stuff in. But this chapter has come to a close. Apartamento de Chico's Cloud 9, whatever the heck I ended up calling this place, is no more. We are officially moved out. We're gonna turn in the keys today. And it's bittersweet, you know? I'm definitely gonna miss this apartment. Really helped me kind of gain my footing when I moved back to Michigan, and obviously establishing my relationship with Alex. Like, those are some of the memories I'm gonna have here, of course. Going through prep and doing all my check-ins here and just all the little things, you know? Yeah, I'm definitely gonna miss them, but we're moving onward and upward, and yeah, it's been real. I will definitely miss this apartment, but we do have some big news. All right, guys, to the left of me right now is the future, and I'm super excited, but I'm not gonna tell you in this video. You gotta make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you will see exactly what I am talking about in that next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless.